Welcome back to another crypto video, and yeah, we're going to be doing a portfolio update on my crypto. And the last one did really well. I was shocked, to be honest, because I know my channel's mainly based on stocks, and a lot of people took interest in my crypto. So I thought, well, I better do another crypto update video, so then we can see how different it looks, how much it's changed, if it's changed. And yeah, so let's get into it. So the first one is KASPA, and yes, it's gone down probably since last time. It's not at a good price at the moment. I believe it's sitting at 12 cents for, which is not great at the moment. It's had a horrible time, to be honest with you. The whole of last year in 2024, it's literally gone sideways, which obviously, there's been times where it went to 19-20 cents and then gone down and then up, but it's pretty much traded sideways, especially since I've bought. As you can see, I'm down 4% on this. Not worried with KASPA. This is also a bit of a hedge against the fiat currency, you could say, because KASPA is all about a currency. It's literally wanting to do what Bitcoin was meant to do, and that was to be a currency. Cryptocurrency, and that's what KASPA's wanting and achieving to do, and their technology is just unmatched. There's no other crypto that can compete with KASPA. If you really look into the technology of KASPA, it's mental. It actually is mental, and I'm not putting any more money into it because I've personally think I've got enough into it, because obviously at the end of the day it's still a speculative play because it's just so early on. But I've got enough that I'm happy that I've got enough in it, and I don't want to miss out on this opportunity that I believe has got a high chance of doing very, very well, especially once the big players start noticing KASPA. And we're eventually just seeing it with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been out since 2008 or whatever the year was, and only since the last 2 years or so, big players have started to really see what Bitcoin is. Once they see what KASPA does has as a technology, I'm pretty sure they will be buying KASPA as alongside Bitcoin as well, because they won't want to miss out. At the moment, they are doing 1 block a second. Bitcoin does 1 block every minute, every 10. No, Bitcoin does a block every 10 minutes. Obviously, that's too slow when you're going to do loads of transactions. If you're going to be using Bitcoin as a transactional coin, that's just going to be way too slow. It just won't work. Whereas KASPA's 1 block a second, and going very soon to 10 blocks a second, and then eventually 100 blocks a second. So they'll be able to compete with the transaction rate of Visa, which would be mental for a decentralized coin, because that's another thing. Decentralization, proof of work, is another big factor of why I got into KASPA. So it can only be mined. You can't get all these VCs, you can't get all these big institutions or something creating a coin and just creating more coins, because that's just pointless, because that's exactly what fiat currency is. The pounds, the dollars just get printed, cause inflation, and there's just no benefit. There's just no benefit having that crypto. You might as well just not create a crypto coin. Whereas a decentralized coin like KASPA and Bitcoin, it's really good tech, good technology. And KASPA is the first block DAG as well, not a blockchain. So the blocks don't go in a chain, they go into loads of different blocks, and that's how they can create more blocks a second. Well, eventually they're going to go on to 10 blocks a second, and that's how they can do 1 block a second at the moment through a block DAG. So it also solves the blockchain trilemma, and it solves it by decentralization, scalability, and security. Obviously Bitcoin has all of that apart from scalability, because of what I mentioned with the 1 block every 10 minutes. It's just too slow. But apart from that, Bitcoin is obviously where it is now. It's a very, very good coin, solid coin, but it just can't scale. Well, people say KASPA is like the Bitcoin 2.0. By the way, I still really like Bitcoin as a coin. I think it's a good store of value. It's the digital gold, and I would put money into Bitcoin. KASPA is more scalable than Bitcoin. It's 600 times faster currently, which is going to be even faster. KASPA is cheaper than Bitcoin. KASPA is more secure than Bitcoin. KASPA is more fairly launched than Bitcoin. KASPA has the same decentralization as Bitcoin. And also KASPA is going to start having smart contracts alongside it as well, which is just a game changer. There's just no point having Solana, Ethereum and all them coins. Everything will be able to work under the KASPA ecosystem. There's just no point using all the other cryptos at that point. Anyway, moving on to Bittensor TAO, one of my other favourite coins, and I'm up 95% on this. My average is slowly going down, and the reason why is because I've got it staked. And as you can see, I've been getting this free TAO over the few days, over the months, and yeah, it's just allowed me to have extra TAO, and it brings down my net average because obviously I'm not paying for it, it's just free. So that's also why my holdings have gone up in it as well, as alongside the price going up. TAO's actually been quite good for me. That's another one that I'm going to be holding into the bull run. It's literally the god when it comes to AI through crypto, and Bittensor is the one to have. Right stream down 7%. This is another coin it's a bit like Hello if you've heard of it, and people were able to like pitch their cryptos on a show just like Hello did, and they're trying to make it even better, be like Shark Tank and Dragon's Den but for crypto. We'll see how the show goes, and obviously this is the thing with crypto, it's very speculative and very like, is this going to do well or not? But these are the type of coins that can just explode and do really well and then obviously cash out. But yeah, at the moment this has just not moved. A lot of my coins have just not moved, to be honest. Another AI play, DEAI, and yeah, we're up 58% on this, and yeah. Bitcoin, I'm up 143% on this, and I've only got $250 in this, which is a shame. Would have loved to have got more Bitcoin, but I am planning on buying Bitcoin when we go into a bear market. If the cycles happen, if the same cycles happen, the altcoins might just go into a bear market, and Bitcoin might not have the biggest drops like it always used to, because the amount of money the institutions are having into it, and they're probably not going to want to sell. They're just going to want to hold on to it. And it's crazy amount of Bitcoin that the governments are buying up. And I didn't realise, but I'm pretty sure, might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I saw that the UK are like the 3rd or 4th largest crypto holder when it comes to governments, which I was shocked about, to be honest. America's first, China's 2nd. I think El Salvador is 5th or 6th. But UK apparently is 3rd, so mad really. I think America want to have 500,000 coins by the end of this year, which is just crazy, considering there's like 21 million coins, isn't there? Well, actually probably less, because the fact that people have lost their wallets and things. And then I'll just scroll through, got little bits of nothingness really, just yeah, that's just, I'll show you this one that I've really done bad on, 98%. Just want to be transparent, want to show you the losses as well. Yeah, that was, the annoying part was I was up 2-3 times and now I'm that, but yeah. I've also got a coin called Ghosty Spooky now actually, which is worth $600 to $500, so we'll add that onto the total afterwards. But yeah, the total of my portfolio is worth $34,648 plus the $500, so we've got about a portfolio worth $35,100. So there you have it, my crypto portfolio update. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're brand new, like this video, and also check out my stock portfolio update videos as well.